when the works arrive to the hall, hearing this sound. In the late 50s, the world looked at the strong competition between the two largest powers in the world, the Soviet Union and America, and every country is trying to prove its existence of scientific development. One of this competition is a case to bottom of the ground. In the year 1961, America began its journey to discover the interior of the Earth, of the Home project, and they decide to drill in the ocean in Mexican Glad Island, and they reached a depth of 183 meters. But only 5 years later, the USA Congress decided to stop this project because of the high cost. In the year 1917, Russia took advantage of American failures and began its journey to discover the interior of the Earth with Kola Super Deep project. Their goal was to reach a depth of 15 kilometers, and drilling began in the Kola Peninsula. In 1983, Russia was able to defeat America after it reached 12 kilometers underground. After that, it began to announce new discoveries at a depth of 7 kilometers. When they found fossils of species of microscope single-celled organism that lived on Earth 2 billion years ago, and they said that this is the time when the layers of the Earth were formed, and at the same depth they discovered that the cracks of rocks had water flowing in them, and this is contrary to the studies that confirm that water cannot cross from the Earth's crust. Also, the whole world recognizes the importance of this discovery. Scientists said that the journey is long because the distance to the center of the Earth reaches approximately 6,400 kilometers. Drilling operation continued until the beginning of the 18th, and by the end of the 18th, scientific mission announced that the project had stopped due to the high temperature capable of melting any equipment, except for the depth that has been reached, where the density of their rocks began to decrease significantly as it became similar to plastic. With all these circumstances, drilling became almost impossible. In addition to dissolution of the Soviet Union and the early 19th, other countries tried to compete with Russia, such as Japan and Germany, but they all failed, and no country reached what Russia had reached at all. That's everything for today. Please, if you like the knowledge like us, subscribe to share it together.